What's up, guys? 90Day227 is here, outside going for a walk. Thought I'd make another video about going for a walk, but this time we're at the beginning of where you'd start walking to my house. So, and the time is, well, this will definitely be uploaded at a later time, but the time that it is now, or in the past, you might call it, is 3:41. So it might not be the exact time of when this video is uploaded, but if you watch this video at a time when it is 3:41, then it'll make sense, but it'll be on another day. So, yeah, I'm just walking to my house now. I might have to stop Zafira on the way sometimes because she likes to go into other people's property, either because she has to go to the bathroom or she knows that there are other animals there, just like now. Zafira! Zafira! I had to get her now from actually one of my friend's house. So yeah, we're just gonna go for a little walk, see what nature has to give us, to show us. There might be a lot of things that we see on our way. So, there's a car driving by. Another might start coming on this road. Yep. There's a truck right behind me. So, we're just gonna go for a walk. I've even got a walkie-talkie with me because my grandmother, she has paralysis. Here, hold on. And so she can't always get up by herself and just walk around. If you don't know what paralysis is, if you know what paralyzed is, they're the same thing. But if you don't know what either of those words means, I'll tell you right now. So what paralyzed or paralysis means is that you have a certain limb of your body, or all, and you can't move them. So when you have paralysis, it makes everything. Oh, what I found! I just found this. Kind of looks like my grandfather's. He has one of these. Might just take it with me. But yeah, paralysis makes a lot of things harder in life. So this is a difficult time for our grandmother. So that's why I got a walkie-talkie with me. I'll even talk to her right now. So I'll show you how to actually. So the way you do this is here. Let me set this down real quick. Alright. Oh. The way you do this is that you see this button right here? You click on that and then you talk to right here and then you wait for a response. So that's actually just with these walkie-talkies. So I'll talk to her right now for you to give an example. I keep hearing like this really weird noise, like doo 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 doo. So it's really weird. So we're gonna do that for a second. Here I go. Let me set this down again. Alright, here we go. Hi Mimi, I am on my way now. If you need anything, you can just call me or tell me whatever you need. I'll be there in a few minutes. Bye! And then if she responds back, she'll say something, or thank you, something like that, and then it'll make this noise. Beep. Something like that. So that's the kind of response that our walkie-talkies have. There's a lot of different walkie-talkies around USA, America, the world, practically. Ew, there's like a bunch of these bugs in these puddles. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see those, but they're really gross. Try showing it to you. Had to clip my walkie-talkie back on. Safira. Look, there's another person's house. There's a big old puddle over there. If you can see that, it's pretty big. So like in my other videos, this was like walking. In my other videos, I would be walking towards the bus stop, and in only one of my videos, I was walking back, but that was actually a setup. So like, I had gotten home, and then a few hours later, or a few minutes later actually, I decided to go back with my backpack and then walk back to make it look like I was coming from my bus stop. Safira, come on, hurry. Safira. Oh, I guess I can't see it. But yeah. And this is actually a full walking from my bus stop. So yeah, we'll just see what nature has to offer us. If my grandmother responds. So yeah. I'm a little worried now because I was talking to her earlier, like saying that my grandfather left. Because, change of plans, he went to Las Vegas instead of all of us going, so yeah. But she didn't respond, so I got a little worried. But she's still alive. She was probably just asleep, or her walkie-talkie was probably off or dead. So we're almost to my house. We're getting closer and 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 closer. So we're starting to pass another very friendly neighbor's house. Safira, she's sniffing the barbed wire. She was. So, yeah. I think, like, it's around this area where I stopped to show you, like, how big the bowl of chili or something like that would be. I remember when we were still doing that challenge, me and Pixel Boy, and apparently this time I won the challenge. Last time he would have won if I kept it going. But yeah, I called it off because I had a very good reason to. We were just arguing and changing our minds, and I just couldn't go through with it because I didn't want to argue and fight with my best friend just about some little challenge. Because Pixel Boy, I've known him since I was like 3 or 4, so he's like a brother to me. Getting closer to my house. There's my neighbor's house over there. We're almost to my house. Ooh, and I have a fun way of how to get to my house. Yeah. This is actually a way that I go almost every day when I'm walking from school. And I'll show you why. It's actually really sad important part of why I walk through this part. Zafira. So, I do this almost every day. So you'll figure out why. You'll also figure out why it's sad and important to our family. So this is our field. Zafira likes it when I take her out to the field. But the only time I really go out here is when I'm walking home. So, ew, more bugs. I absolutely hate bugs. They're like gross. Unless they're like the really good ones, like ladybugs, butterflies. I like those kind of bugs. So here's where it starts to get a little sad. So if I haven't already told you, in August or September, one of those months, my Uncle John and my cousin JJ, they had a dog. Dog. I'm starting to get an accent here. A dog. And that dog was starting to get sick. She had an ear infection. We're getting closer. And she got so sick that we had to put her down one night. And this was really sad because my uncle had to do it himself. We're here. And so I come this way every day. And I pray for our dog. And here's an example of what I do every time I come home. Here, hold on. This is what I do every time I come home. This way. Dear Lord, I thank you for watching over Kayla and the loss of her, the death, that it was a very hard time, that you were there to help us through that time, and with Kayla, that we'll never forget about her, and that we didn't want to put her down, but we had to. We knew it was best. We thank you again for watching over her, as she's now in your hands. In your name, amen. That's what I do every time I come home from walking. Because my uncle, my cousin, all of us, we all had so much pain. So, about a month or two after her death, I would start to go through the field into her grave, and I would pray upon her. So here we are. We're home. He's watching me. Ah! This video is gonna take a really long time to upload. But if you like this video, if you like seeing nature, then I suggest that you give it a like. Leave comment suggestions and requests of what you think of my videos, what you think I should do for them, and what you really want me to do. God bless you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!